Collective, we have Selkis. She is Healing Collective. She is here because she is both benign as well as malignant, poisonous as well as the antidote. So what she is here to say is recognize your poisonous side in order to have the capacity to heal, collective. So once again, we're talking about rebirth here. Recognizing that you have dual nature, collective. And she is both the kiss of death as well as the breath of new life. Remember, collective, let's control the poisonous in order to have the capacity to heal and give birth to something beautiful. Ashe.